Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I am sharing one of my deconstructed envelope cards again. If you want to know how to create it, I already have a free video tutorial on my channel. I will link it at the end of this video. Or that way, I don't know which way it is at the end of this video, and I will link it below in the description box. So check it out if you want to make one. It's pretty easy to do and it looks great. Let's look at the card. So like I said, it is a deconstructed envelope card and I used Casegraph's Cottage Rose collection. The roses that you see here are by I Am Roses, so it is just iamroses.com, and these are from AliExpress. This is a stamp that I used, and it is a Bo Bunny stamp. So here it is, so it has all kinds of lovely sentiments, and it is the Expressions stamp set. And I chose a gray ink, so this is actually the color Hickory Smoke by Tim Holtz, but not a distress ink. It's just a distress color, and it's an archival ink just for you stampers out there. This is the back, so a lovely soft pinky paper. And then let's open it up. So like I said, a deconstructed envelope card, so it works like this. Doesn't fit into frame, just let me adjust the camera. Okay, so there it is in its full size. So let me zoom in again. So over here on the top flap, the inside, I did a bit of fussy cutting here because this collection comes with a cut apart sheet full of sentiments. So I chose this little guy, Live a Beautiful Life, and I just simply added a flower and did some fussy cutting here. On the side flap, you see this stamp, and that is a Casegraph stamp. So this is the stamp set, and it is the Misty Mountains collection. So they have some papers, a paper collection, and then they added this stamp set, but you can buy it separately. Let's go to the other side panel. So here is another cut apart from that same cut apart sheet. So this is sort of a painting. And I made it into a painting by adding a metal dot. So it's not an enamel dot, not a pearl, but an actual metal dot. And then I went with some black liquid enamel or liquid pearl. I think this is liquid enamel in black, so as to simulate a piece of string to hang that painting from. And then the bottom panel, again, a cut apart here with a sentiment. And it says, live fully, laugh heartily, love completely, enjoy the journey. And then I went around the frame here with some stickles, I think these are distress stickles, yeah. So not the really glossy ones, but the somewhat muted ones. There was a distress stickle line a couple of years ago. I still have some of them. And then now for the center part. So I created a tuck spot or a pocket just with this lovely doors pattern here. I love that pattern. And then I stuck this into it. So this is a little booklet, and I printed the inside. I'm gonna send this to a colleague of mine, and I'm going to send it together with another colleague of mine. So there are two sets of written printed texts, one by the other colleague and one by me, to wish the third colleague who will receive this to wish her well. So so let me insert a picture here, how that looks, but with the text blurred. So there you go. So yeah. This was my latest deconstructed envelope card. Alright, and that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, press the like and subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of videos on my channel. I also have a lot of playlists. So if you're just interested in, like, say, the mini albums or the cards or the tutorials, they all have their separate playlists. I have a playlist for projects for guys, for babies, for, well, Christmas, I think. So just check out the playlist, just roam around on my channel, and you can sort of subscribe to just a playlist, not subscribe, but just click it and then it will show up in your list of playlists. So you won't even have to subscribe to my channel, though I would prefer that, of course. So if you want to know how to do it exactly, let me know in the comments below. I could do perhaps a small YouTube tips and tricks little video if that is something that would interest you. If you don't know all of these options, well, just let me know. Yeah, so Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy this new year, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.